If you've ever put hours into editing a video in CapCut only to accidentally delete your project, don't panic. Today, I'm going to show you how to recover a deleted CapCut project quickly and safely. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to look, which buttons to press, and how to get that lost project back so you can pick up right where you left off. Alright, let's dive straight in. First, go ahead and open up CapCut on your computer or device. You want to make sure you're logged into the same account you were using when you made your project, because that's where all your work is stored. Take a second and let the app load. Sometimes it takes a moment, especially if you have a lot of projects saved. It might look like your project has disappeared forever. But don't worry, CapCut actually has a built-in safety net for situations like this. Now, once CapCut is open, take a look at the lower part of the screen. You'll see your user ID displayed just below where your list of spaces or projects is. This is where all of your account details and personal settings are tucked away, and it's the gateway to some handy recovery features. Click on your user ID. It might feel a little hidden if you're not used to exploring the interface, but trust me, this is where you want to go. After you click your user ID, you'll notice a menu pop up, and one of the options there is called Trash. Think of this as the recycling bin on your computer. CapCut doesn't just get rid of your projects immediately, it gives you a chance to change your mind. Go ahead and click into the trash section. If you feel a little anxious seeing your projects here, that's totally normal. But this is a good sign because once a project is in the trash, you still have the opportunity to recover it, assuming you haven't permanently deleted it. Now, scroll through your deleted projects until you find the one you want to restore. Sometimes, if you've deleted several items, it's worth taking a second to double-check and make sure you pick the right one. When you're sure, look for 3 little dots on the side of your project. These dots are your shortcut to more options. It's like the Swiss Army knife of buttons in most apps. Click those 3 dots, and you'll see Restore pop up. Choose Restore, and the project will bounce back to your main workspace, ready for you to keep editing. Alternatively, if you're using a computer, you can simply right-click on the project you want to bring back, and you'll see the Restore option right there. It's a small step that makes a big difference and saves you from the heartache of losing your work. After you restore your project, take a moment to open it again and check if everything is as you left it. Most of the time, all your edits and media will be perfectly intact. If anything seems out of place, don't worry. CapCut usually does a great job preserving your progress, but it never hurts to make a backup once you've got it back just to be safe. And that's it. You've just recovered your deleted CapCut project. If you found this walkthrough helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you've run into any issues. I'm here to help. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials to keep your project safe and your editing frustration-free. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!